but we are getting there. Oh yeah. Oh
yeah. Shit. That's that sinner's blunt. That shit will turn your ass. Fuck is you talking about?
Shut the fuck up.
I don't know what you heard about me, but you know that I got the best weed, and I'ma smoke it like a chimney. And I'm a mother, P-I-M-P. And yet I got the best weed. You know, I always got the green. I smoke it like I got broccoli. P-I-M-P.
I hear every last bit of that hit.
Yeah.
They hit that motherfucker with you.
Sucking that motherfucker all together now. For real, y'all motherfuckers, y'all getting put to work today. I don't give a fuck. You ever had to hit a blunt and be mad? Like, I said.
You see, she's back here.
Yo, got the eyes watering. Dang, you okay, bro?
I'm good. It's all good.